So today I'm gonna attempt to change the oil on my MK7 GTI. I'm wearing the official gear. Oh yeah, I'm certified. Got my buddy here helping me out.
I'm not certified.
He's not certified, he doesn't have a shirt. Anyways, I never done an oil change in this car, ever. It's gonna be my first try. Seen a lot of videos and I'm gonna attempt it. I know this is the where the filter is. I have to change that. And I have to go underneath. Right now the car, it's lifted, so I have to go underneath there, get the plug out and drain the oil. It's draining something. Change the filter, put some oil in there, and see how it goes. Got to put my window up.
Oh, what are you gonna do now?
Yeah, no bugglers in my car. This is my friend's car. I'm gonna let the baby cool off. He wants to show me his cold starting. See how this baby sounds. So we are here. He's trying to get some oil for his car. I already have my oil because I got it from ECS Tuning. I'll show you guys when we get back to my car. Show you the oil that I'm using. He's gonna get the Mobile 1 $5.30 for his car because he needs that.
$33 for 5 quarts and a oil filter.
So they're having a special right now, $33 for oil filter and oil. He usually puts that in Kool-Aid, but he's not gonna be using that today. So I'm gonna get the filter now, and I'll come back to you guys with my car.
So what you about to do?
Oh, that didn't work. I'm attempting to drink my coffee. Okay, this is the oil I'm going to be using. It's a motor oil. I got it from ECS Tuning for about 68 bucks, free shipping. Brings the oil, 6 quarts, oil filter, OEM from Volkswagen. Give you a sticker. Should keep track when you change the oil. Brings an O-ring for the filter you need to change, and the plug for it takes a Phillips head screwdriver. So you're gonna need actually looks like a flathead screwdriver. This thing is 1 5/16, so it fits snug on your car. And you're gonna take this off the engine cover, slide a little bit. We're not gonna go under the car yet. We're gonna open this up so when it drains the oil, it's gonna come out smoothly. You're also gonna need some towels, so when you take this out, you don't get any oil when you're taking out the filter on those parts you don't need. So I'm gonna get some towels. So put that on there. Washed anyways. They're already a little bit. Okay, car, don't turn on me. I haven't touched you yet. Try to get right here. Why are you making noises, Volkswagen? Just make sure you get it all around it, so when it comes out, it doesn't go anywhere underneath the engine when you don't want it. Sometimes when they change the oil in the dealership, they don't give a shit about your car, so they'll take the oil filter.
Here's a look at the Audi symbol.
Oh yeah, my Volkswagen has an Audi symbol right there. It's very nice. So I'm underneath the car now. Here's the plug that you need to take out. So we're really close to each other. Make sure your car is cooled down. Make sure it's not hot, because when that oil comes out, if your car is hot, it's gonna burn you. So, and you want the car to be warmed up and not super hot, because then you'll be place it right here somewhere you can catch it. And
Let me teach you a little bit real quick. Ready?
huh? You wanna what?
Let me teach you a little bit.
Alright.
I'm not sure if a long one or short one's gonna be good. Is that Phillips or a flathead?
Let me see. It needs to be a Phillips.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't catch with anything.
Alright, when you do this,
Oh wait, yeah, it does.
don't be
What?
careful. Alright. So you might want to be on this side.
Alright.
You might want to be on this side. And you're gonna come over here, you're gonna start undoing it. And right when you undo it, you're gonna pull away. And sometimes it might be really far, so you have to have one hand on this, ready. I'll hold and film for you. One hand on this, and you can do it.
Can I just do it like this so it doesn't get on my hands?
No, be careful. You don't know where's the. Phillips head straight down or not.
No. You have my phone?
No. Where's the next one? There it goes, there it goes. Alright. Now.
Alright, so
Now.
so let me try to get away from this mess.
Just pull straight away.
Slowly. There it goes.
Keep going. There it goes.
And there it goes. That was fairly complicated, but once you get the right size, like I said, 3/16
Short.
short,
Shorty.
so it doesn't hit this part right here, and you'll be able to take the plug out. There you go. So it's very simple to take out. And then make sure when you pull it out very slowly so the oil doesn't get everywhere. There you go. Try to take. So, yeah, there you go.
Let's go.
There you go. Yeah, there's a little bit of drops that fell, but that's. I think it's just pulling it, and you can see how dirty that was. Ring out. Oh, I'm dripping. Maybe you need a. Let me see that flathead. So you can help me take this a little bit easier. There you go. And you do need to lube this up a little bit so it makes just with the same.
He's a new motor.
Oh,
He's old.
just makes it's the same. Sure it gets on that groove right there in the end. There you go. Once you got that done, it's all set. If it doesn't matter which side, it's just
It's the same.
it's the same thing. So you do fit it in, and you're gonna hit it here. Click. That sensor needs to go in the middle there, like so, and then just tighten it by hand. Alright, so you don't want this to be too tight, and you don't want it to be too loose either, so you need to watch underneath there. There you go. I made a mark there so I know where to stop. I believe that's tight enough. the oils out. So I make sure I don't strip this one. Make sure I put it in before plugging the hole. So let me make sure you go as straight as possible, because you don't want to strip this. And there's grooves. They'll let you know when to stop. Right there. Put the 5 quarts in first. Lift it up. And then
just twist that off.
just twist this off.
It's easy pour.
Easy pour. And you take this. And grab a funnel. Or if you got really good aim, you can do it free aiming, but I don't have really good aim, so I'm gonna use a funnel. So the whole thing then, so now what you do is you start the car, get it off the stand so we see how much oil is in there, so we can top it off with the rest. Probably do that when we fill it up, you know?
Is it leaking the oil out? Maybe because this was off while the car started. Some cars don't matter, but had a vacuum leak.
So, we clean it off the first time. Now these things have a groove right here in the middle.
Right here, so we need a little bit more to get to the center.
You want to be somewhere up here on this ground. So pull up, and you get that off. So now you unscrew this, get off, pull this, and see where we at. We need to put the whole thing. We put the whole thing. For now, you just put half of it. I think that's about good.
So the top.
We can put a little bit more. Yep, that's about half. So we still need the whole thing. So you're gonna need about 6 quarts of oil, but it's always good to check. So you don't want to make sure you don't overfill or underfill the engine. So it looks like we're gonna need the whole 6 quarts of oil. There you go.
Right there.
Yep, so good that the whole 6 quarts was good enough. So there you have it. Now you're done with the oil change. All you need is to put the cap back on. Mine came with this little mark right here, so it basically lines up like this and clicks. So now you're gonna go inside, show you how to reset the warning, or the oil change warning on the car. And you turn it off while pressing the button, and it should take that warning off. So when you go back to the your car, where's the service? So there you go, you're good to go.